This sucks.
They get down to the concrete itself, down to the pavement. But every once in a while, in some spots, you start to have some areas where it's starting to pack. Generally, it is a pretty slushy, very wet snow. So some of the main roads out a little bit farther where they have more of the taxi cabs going by are not as bad. But city officials have been prepared for this.
As a first line of defense, the department will deploy 365
Go outside?
to solve
Go ahead.
primary roads and bus routes. And once a plowable 2 inches of snow is on the ground, 1,600 plows will begin removing snow from our city's roughly 6,300 miles of streets and highways.
And we're just getting started here, so crews are going to be busy for a while, on into tonight, maybe even early tomorrow. And things are pretty bad in
Smart
Washington,
cat.
D.C. We're live side LA right now. Hi.
There's the Cadillac. Can you see it?
That's been the issue. Right in Nashville, the past couple of storms in December and a couple of days ago. All the airports, all the flights out of Reagan, Dulles, and BWI are canceled.